those flavors.
So we got brisket for you.
Yeah.
Can you
Let's see
tell us what
we
this
got.
is?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have today, I have a 12-hour grass-fed smoked brisket.
Okay.
This was brought to us by a local farm, Grass-Fed Eats, which is amazing company, local. We want to keep everything very Chicago or Chicagoland area. The sausage is a Fuego Taki sausage from our good friends over at Frankie's Bangers in Indiana, and he has been my house sausage for probably about 6 months now, and people are going crazy over it. So enjoy it.
You have your own house sausage. That's amazing.
Yes, yeah, our own house sausage. Yep.
What kind of things do you teach? Like when you're out there and are you just barbecuing, or are you just answering questions, or are you trying to go through something?
I always thought of barbecue as kind of being the 3 T's. It's as time, temperature, and technique. And so I'm teaching those 3 T's. Yeah, it has a little spice to it. It's a little kick.
I picked the wrong one.
Yeah. You should have picked the brisket first. All right, so we teach time, temperature, technique.
Temperature, technique.
Yeah, so those are the 3 key things for barbecue. A lot of questions that come in are simple questions. Well, how do you light this? Do you use lighter fluid? Things like that. I don't use lighter fluid, and I teach people how not to.
Yeah.
And those small things go a long way.
What kind of grill? Gosh, there's so many different, you know?
It's funny you said that. Well, we are sponsored by Weber Grills, which is also a very...
Weber Grills.
So Weber, probably.
So we're sponsored by Weber Grills, which is a Chicago company. Born and raised in Chicago. They have their offices in Palatine.
I love their story, too.
Yeah, and they have a great story, right? And so I'm a grill ambassador for them. And so I use their grills everywhere I go for the most part.
Oh, you're like royalty.
Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, I try to be. I adjust my crown just a little bit.
Well, I got to tell you, this is absolutely delicious. This
Thank
is
you.
fabulous.
Thank you.
You've done a great job.
What is the experience of you doing this and all these cooking demos bring for you?
I think I'm a former teacher. I was a special education teacher for 12 years. I was doing my food and my music. I was a singer as well, so I was doing my food and my music simultaneously. I had to pick something.
Yeah.
And so I decided to go all in on barbecue, and I ended up being able to leave teaching behind and do barbecue full time. And now here I am teaching again. I actually will be at Lombard at the Weber Cooking School teaching again in November.
I have a feeling you sing over the grill sometimes, don't you?
Only to myself.
Yeah.
And to the meat. I bet you sing.
That's
don't you?
right.
Is
That's why it tastes so
one of the
good.
secrets.
Right.
You got to sing to it.
Yep.
Where can we find the farmers market?
We are at